Hello student, welcome to my class of computer for class ninth. So today we'll understand how to allocate your fingers on the keyboard according to the home row, okay, and first row and the last row. So first of all we have to understand what is the keyboard fingering position. So here you can see, so here by default you will locate the finger position at F and according to guide key, that is F and J, okay. So now we will understand what is home row. Home row is the first row according to ASDF. Okay, here you can see ASDF, JKL and a semicolon. So this is known as home row. Okay, so we are doing the practice for that. So practice number 1, type the following in double line spacing to get the perfection over the home row. Okay, so you have to student type ASDF, then semicolon IKJH, okay, and then after that space, then again that same word and then space and then again the same word. So what are the information I'm saying instruction regarding to that? First one thing, do not look at your keyboard. So student, you have to try to type your content that is given in practice, okay, without looking your keyboard. So you need to type it with slowly, okay. The next one point, each letter should come, every letter should come at down of the letters. You can see that in this particular example, whatever the word is written, just below the next word has come. Okay, understand? No need to just write the letter just slightly right or left. It should be just below that particular letter. Now concentrate your mind on your text. Yes, student, while you're typing the text, I'm to say that particular letter or words, you have to concentrate in your mind also what you are typing actually, because you are going to just feed the information in your mind how to type and how to get the perfection in this particular practice. Next one thing, typing should done in quite accurately with the concentrate rhythm. Okay, students, so rhythm should be maintained. You don't need to type the particular letter with sometime fast and sometimes slow. It should be rhythm. If it is slow, then type slowly, otherwise fast. If it is fast, then you can type fast only. Okay, repeat this process until the mastery over this exercise. Yes, student, you have to just repeat this step. This doesn't mean you will type only 3 lines here. You can type 4, 5, 6, whatever the line according to you, until you get the practice. I'm to say master on that particular home row. Now let's do the practice number 2. Same thing you have to do, students. Type the following in double line spacing to get the perfection over the home row. Okay, so in this practice number 2, we are doing the same home row practice, but then this time after typing this particular ASDF semicolon LKJH, then after that you will type a particular word also, okay, in which DASK, SAD, SLK, FLASK, such type of data you have to type. I want to say words you have to type. Okay, by that we got the practice of number of combination of random numbers also in a home key, I mean say home row. Okay, students, next one thing, instruction. What are the instruction regarding to that? Do not look at the keyboard. Same instruction like above. Okay, each letter should be beneath at the other. Okay, word should be come at down or the others. Okay, and next one thing, concentrate your mind on text. Yes, typing should be done quite accurately with constant rhythm. Okay, repeat this process until the mastery over this exercise. Okay, after this you will go to the upper row, I'm to say top row. Okay, so allocation of finger on the third row or the top row, upper row. Okay, so you can see student figure, I am say this figure QWERT, okay, and YUIOP. These is known as upper row. Okay, so here is little finger, ring finger, middle finger, index finger. Okay, they will allocate at the time of typing. Okay, same way here at the Y, index finger will placed, U index finger is placed, I middle finger, O ring finger, and P little finger. So in such a way you will type the content if the search key need to be pressed. Okay, now while typing the upper row, keep finger on home row and lift the finger or left or right hand, strike upper key and on the other type. Okay students, so it means to say while you are typing the particular key from the upper row, so keep your hand, I am to say other finger on mid home row only, okay, without pressing that, and then lift your finger and press the upper row key by that finger whatever required, okay, that key, and then after that come back to the again to the particular home row again. So now allocation of the finger on the first row. First row means the bottom row. Bottom row means that is Z, X, C, V, okay, and B and M, such type of and comma. This particular row is known as bottom row or first row, okay. So student, we will do the practice for third practice. So you have to type QWERT, okay, and POIUI, okay. This type of practice you will do for the first, I am to say third row, okay, that is upper row, okay. So you have to type the same thing again and again with all instruction that is given above. And now you will understand how to type the practice number 4. I'm to say do the practice number 4, okay. What is the thing? So here you can see that little finger, right finger, middle finger, index finger, okay. So you will type, okay, left finger, I'm say little finger, it will be in shift right, and that is ring finger on Z, middle finger on X, index finger on C, and index finger on V. That is for left hand, okay. And right hand, you have to index finger place to B, index finger M, middle finger M, and right finger, I'm to say ring finger to comma and little finger to full stop. So student, you have learned how to place the finger on a keyboard, I'm to say hand on a keyboard according to the rows like first row, third row, and home row. That is upper, middle, home row, upper row, and that is okay. So now practice number 4. So student, you have to follow the instructions same as I given above, okay, and you have to type the following double line spacing, okay, to practice with the bottom row of the keyboard. So you have to like game, Roxy time, okay, such type of thing without a space you have to type, okay, till then Y, and then comma, size, ZEAL, such type of information you have to type, okay, at least 4 lines that is given in book also, okay. And now we have to understand allocation of keys to finger on a fourth row, okay. Fourth row, that mean numbers key, okay students. Numbers key that is containing some symbols also, like 1 containing exclamatory sign, 2 containing @ 3 hash, $4, 5%, 6 ZOR, it is known as ZOR or power cap whatever, and 7 ampersand or and, 8 asterisk or star, round bracket 9 and 0 round bracket close, okay. Such type of row is known as fourth what thing, row or number row, okay. So here is instruction how to type that. So according to the finger positioning, so here little finger at 1, right finger, I'm say ring finger at 2, middle finger at 3, index finger at 4, index finger of 5, okay. This is for left hand, okay. And right hand again, so index finger at 6, index finger at 7, middle finger at 8, ring finger at 9, and little finger at 0. So student, did you got that how to type this one thing, okay. And now number row for right handed, that is known as numerical keypad, that is numeric keypad, okay. So how to put that one thing? So student, there are actually 4 column and 5 rows are in this particular keypad, numerical keypad. You can see that how many rows are there, that is a column 1 2 3 4, 4 columns, and how many rows, 5 rows, 1 2 3 4 and 5, okay student. So here 4 5 6 and plus is termed as, you can see 4 5 6 and plus key is termed as a home row, okay, according to the keyboard, I'm say keypad. So you have to put on this finger according to this. So so here guide key is number 5, okay, as I explained in a keyboard, that is F and J are guide key. So same here numerical key is 5 is guide key,